Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your message could not be delivered issue on Instagram. So guys, if you are also facing this issue and you are unable to send messages to someone on Instagram, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem can be that if the person has blocked you on Instagram, then you will not be able to send message to that person. So guys, make it sure that the person has not blocked you and go for the next solution. That is, you have to make it sure that your account has not been restricted for violating community guidelines. So guys, if your account has been restricted by Instagram team, then you will not be able to send or deliver messages to anyone on Instagram. So guys, make sure and go for the next solution. That is, you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, drag down your control center and check your internet connection whether it is working properly or not. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply update your Instagram to the latest version. So guys, for that you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and search here for Instagram. And you have to download the latest version of Instagram in your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to restart your device for one time as well. So for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open any browser and search here for support.instagram. Here you can see this, and now tap on Instagram Help Center and wait here for some seconds. And from here you can see you can get any kind of help from here. So guys, you have to simply contact the Instagram help team and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.